In this video, I will show you how to extract date from date and time value in Excel like this. So let's get started. Here in this Excel sheet, I have some date and time values in this column. Now I want to extract only dates from these values by discarding the time. But before we do that, let's first understand how date and time values are stored in Excel. Excel stores dates as serial numbers and it starts from 1st January 1900, which is represented by the number 1. That means if you have a cell containing the number 1 and if you format it as a date, you will get the date 1st January 1900. Similarly, the number 2 will become the date 2nd January 1900 and so on. Excel stores time as a fractional value of 1 day and it is represented by a decimal value of 1, which is between 0 and 0.9999. That means if you have a 0 in a cell and if you format it as a time, you will get the time as 12 am. Similarly, the number 0.5 will become the time 12 pm and the number 1 will again become the time 12 am. For example, the date 1st June 2024 12 pm is represented by the number 45,444.5, where 45,444 represents the date portion and the 0.5 value represents the time portion of the date. Since the dates are serial numbers and time values are fractional values, we can easily extract the date from the date and time by discarding the fractional part from it. To do that, we can use the int function. The int function returns an integer number by removing the decimal part from the specified number. This function accepts only one argument, that is the number we want to convert to an integer. Let's start the formula by typing an equal sign in the target cell. Now type int followed by an opening bracket. Select the cell containing the date and time value as the argument of the int function. Type the closing bracket of the int function. Since a date is represented by a serial number and time is represented by the decimal value of it, discarding the decimal part from the date and time value will remove the time from it. Hit the enter key to complete the formula. Copy the formula to other cells by dragging the cell down from the bottom right corner of the cell. The date values may not be displayed properly because we still need to apply the proper date format to these cells. To do that, select all these cells and press the Ctrl and 1 keys on the keyboard to open up the Format Cells dialog box. Now click the Custom option from the left side. Delete everything from the Type text box and then enter dd-mm-yy as the format. You can enter the date format of your choice according to your requirements instead of this format. Click the OK button to close the dialog box. As you can see, we now have extracted the date from date and time values. Watch these videos to learn more Excel tips, tricks and how-to tutorials. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.